Alright, what's going on, people? CNick313 back. I know, it's been a while. I did some other videos. I haven't gotten around to editing and uploading stuff. Because I moved into a new house, you see, basement, whatever. That's not what we're here for, alright? Right here, we got an unboxing. This is from Evike. I ordered a Mk12 with some other stuff. I already opened it because I had to make sure everything's in there. Had another order, everything wasn't there. I love Evike, but anyways, I just want to make sure everything was there. So, of course, got a tactical brown shipping paper.
Damn.
Alright, since I told you the gun, I'm going to show you the stuff I got with it. I got a bipod. Open that already, make sure it worked. Over here. And I got a rifle scope, I believe. It's by AIM. Yeah, it's a 3x9x40. I had this scope before on one of my other guns and I really liked it. Here's the pins and the Allen key and the mounting brackets. And if you want to zoom on in real quick, this is, no, it's upside down, but let me take it out the box first. Oh, I hit the cameraman with the box, but that's what he gets paid for.
Cameraman abuse.
Yeah, that's it. Sorry if you hear...
Cool holographics, yo.
Sorry if you hear people upstairs. And there were straps holding the top lid on. Like I said, I had to make sure everything was there, and it worked.
Hurry up and open the gun.
Nice styrofoam. And here it is. Here's the Mk12 fully automatic. I mean, full metal, and it goes fully automatic, which I don't understand why if this is a DMR. Anyways, here it is. Got pop-up front and rear sights. Their version of a Magpul pistol grip, which is really nice. Orange ugly tip. And what's cool about this gun is this button right here. You push. Okay, apparently my cameraman put it in wrong and I can't get it off.
I can. Don't worry about it.
Wait. Anyways.
That sounds to be a heavy-handed.
Anyways, the thing I like about this is if you, right there, it's got ambidextrous mag release.
Nice.
Which I like. It's got a curved finger guard, so if you're shooting with gloves or something. And it does come with a 300 round high cap magazine, piss poor BBs, and on the bottom, cleaning and unjamming rod. On the website, it showed that it was supposed to come with a foregrip and rail covers, but fortunately I have plenty, so that's that. And I haven't shot it yet. I don't know if I'm going to make a video on it or not, but yeah, this order in total came to $253. The gun was originally $282, but I guess I caught it on sale. It was $212. Scope was $40, and I actually got the bipod for free since I'm a member. I don't know. It's late. I'm tired. Got off work. But yeah, so that's it. I don't know. I might test fire it and show you guys what it looks like with all the accessories and stuff on it, but just want to make a quick little video. Haven't made one, and this is my first gun that I got this year, so it's one of my dream guns. I'm slowly but surely getting all the guns I've ever wanted, and yeah, so I'm gonna stop my rambling, and until next time, guys, I'll catch you later.